let us begin with support A. The mass of the block M is given as 2 kg. The initial velocity Vi is given as 10 meter per second. The final velocity is given as 0 meter per second. The plane is inclined at an angle theta equals 37 degree to the horizontal. The coefficient of sliding friction is given as 0.3. Now here the block is moving up from the bottom. Let us just draw the free body diagram to support A, case 1. So here, since the block is moving up from the bottom, the frictional force F will work down the inclined plane. So we can write the normal force N as mg cos theta